How to create a database in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click on the MySQL Databases icon. Enter the name of the new database you want to create. cPanel automatically adds a prefix in the name of the database. Now click on the button Create Database. The database has been successfully added. Let's go and see the newly created database. Click on the Go Back button. Scroll down to the table Current Databases. Here you can see all the databases. We will learn about modifying the database and adding a user to a database in other tutorials.
Thank you for watching. For more WIS Text Texero videos, be sure to visit Complete Hosting Guide at completehostingguide.com.